So the question that we're all here for, what is SocketBox? SocketBox is a WebSocket library for CommandBox apps. It works with BoxLang, it works with Lucee, and it works with Adobe ColdFusion. But in order to get this to work, you have to do two things. One, you have to be running behind CommandBox as your server deployment choice. That can be either using the CommandBox CLI or in a Docker container or something like that as a service. And you have to have the SocketBox module installed and configured, which is mostly what we'll be covering today. The SocketBox library was written by the well-known, maybe the infamous Brad Wood, and he's done a great job of maintaining it and making it production ready. So you know that if Brad wrote it, then you can rely on it. And of course, this is going to be available on ForgeBox. This is, I'm sorry, it already is available on ForgeBox, where we keep all of our packages and modules. So right now you can actually go out to ForgeBox, search for SocketBox, and then you'll be able to see like some documentation about how to get started and things like that. And actually in the various WebSocket implementations that I've done using SocketBox, which is a couple now, I found that the information in that README was totally sufficient for getting things up and running and off the ground. So go ahead and take a look at that if you're interested in adding this to your own thing. I will also, I just want to draw a little bit of attention to this little character here. This is just a fun little addition, but this just goes to show that SocketBox and BoxLang is a match just as good as peanut butter and jelly, which I think that by the end of this webinar, you'll be convinced that that's true.